There is level of production strategy, chase demand strategy, peak demand strategy, mixed strategy. Now first talking about the level production strategy. So it is a set of production at fixed rate which changes the inventory account rate used to balance the mismatch between monthly demand and output. Demand is met by altering inventory account. Workforce size, production rate are to be constant. During the low demand, overproduction is stored as inventory to be used in future high demand. Next we have chase demand strategy. So it matches the production plan to meet the demand pattern and observe the variation in demand by hiring and firing workers. Demand is met by matching the planned monthly production with forecasted demand while inventory is held constant. During low demand, production is increased and additional workers are hired. The cost of this strategy is the cost of hiring and firing the workers. It can be effective during high unemployment and for the industries with the low skilled workers. Now next we have peak demand strategy. So it ensures high level of customer service, but it can be very costly in terms of investment in extra workers and machine that remain idle during the low demand period. It generally used in service operations where immediate availability of customized service is critical. It is used when superior customer is serviced is important, when customer are willing to pay extra for critical staff equipments. So it is appropriate in operations in which product service bundle is highly customized. Now next there is mixed strategy. So it changes in subcontracting production rate, size of both inventory and workforce used to adjust monthly output. By manipulating all these variables, planners can reduce cost, minimize disruption in operations, enhance customer service, improve aggregate planning based on pure strategy. It is used in manufacturing and service operations which form the inventory in which inventory can be held. Now next we have strategy, compatibility priorities and environmental suitability. Now in the level production strategy, there is low cost, design quality and delivery service is high. Now for the environment, it is suitable is a repetitive manufacturing environment, continuous process and highly skilled professional. Next we have chase demand strategy. So it is flexible, it designs quality and it delivers in speed. So it is suitable in the environment where there is pure service, jobs of technique, batch manufacturing and high inventory cost. And we have peak demand strategy. So it is compatible in flexibility, quality and the environment it is suitable is service, emergency service, easy substitute available, cost of back order high. And strategy, in mixed strategy there can be any compatibility priorities and environment is where the balance cost trade-off.